Mrs. Cobbs, and she asked me if I could come over here and explain some of these rules to you all. Will that be okay? Okay, good. Let's see this first rule. What is this first rule? Okay, the first rule is follow directions. Now that's an easy one. I know you can all follow the directions Miss Cobb has given you, can't you? I know you can. Let's take a look. The next rule is be respectful and polite to others. I don't want to hear about any of you being mean to your neighbor. That just would not be nice. The third rule, let's take a look here. I didn't bring my glasses today. Oh! Okay, the third rule is listen quietly while others are speaking. I see you guys are doing that now. So great job. Let's take a look at this fourth rule. The fourth rule is raise your hand and wait for permission to speak. That means you can't blurt out any old thing you want to say. You'll just have to wait for Mrs. Cobbs to call on you, okay? And let's take a look at this last rule. Okay, the last rule is stay in your seat unless you have permission to do otherwise. So, just keep that tushy in your seat. I don't want to see y'all running around like a bunch of zoo animals. Let's take a look. Okay, those are just simple rules that you can follow, and Mrs. Cobbs would greatly appreciate it if you did. It seems pretty simple to me, don't you think? I think so. Well, it was sure nice meeting you. Until next time, kids. And thanks for having me. And don't forget, I'm Miss Stuckmeyer. Have a great day. And make sure you listen to Miss